How about that northbound step deck right there?
Hey, what's happening, Chris?
Not much, man. You're looking pretty good there rolling out that chrome shop. I had to hop on the highway here, see if I can grab a couple of shots of you.
I appreciate it, man. You got me all dirty and
Hey, man, you know we like a good-looking work truck. Dirty work truck there, right? Come on.
We try, appreciate it.
Might as well tell the people who you are and give us a rundown on that truck there.
Yeah, that's no problem. My name is Jose Rodriguez. I'm from Houston, Texas. This is a 2003 Peterbilt. It has a D15 610C, 18 speed, 355s. I do double drop. Mostly we draw around Texas and Florida. Try to stay away from the north. Sharp looking Pete. Appreciate it, sir. Must be that big rig videos guy, but apparently it's oversized.
Yes, sir.
I knew I'd catch you out here one of these days. I've seen all your videos on YouTube there.
Right on. What truck are you in?
It's oversized right behind you.
All right, man. You have a good trip.
All right, man. Appreciate it. Have a nice day. Thank you.
that Lemke truck right there? You got a radio on? How about that southbound Lemke truck there? You got a radio on? Some people know me by as the guy on Big Rig Videos.
Photographer and that, he's been around in trucks for a long, long, long time.
TFO, buddy, I just wanted to check. I didn't know. Should know you or not, you know. I just was curious. He might be from one of the magazines or what, you know. He looked like he had a lot invested in that, and I was just curious.
Yeah, he sells stuff to him and all that. Yeah, he's a good guy though. But yeah, he's been around for a while, long time.
What year KW is that?
89.
What do you got for a motor in there?
4 1/4 cat with a little extra to it.
I heard that little extra there. Come on. While I'm getting a good look at you here, why don't you give me the rundown on what you do with the truck there?
We transport horses all over the United States.
Any particular type of horse, or is it your standard service?
Standard service. We do it for anybody, everybody. We race horses, mainly show horses.
How long have you run that truck for?
We've had it for 7 years.
Very nice. What do you got for mileage on it?
Somewhere over 3 million. We're not exactly sure exactly where it's at. Motor is just rebuilt just about 15,000 miles ago.
And we might as well give a shout out there to the company, so that way we can get the proper credit to the company and the truck there.
Yeah, Stateside Farm, based out of Ramona, California. We work out of Houston, Texas. Been doing it for 13 years, transporting horses.
10-4. And a lot of people, get to see this video. So if you'd like to, introduce yourself or stuff like that, you're more than welcome to.
Yeah, my name's Greg Wilson. Been driving for 24 years, so getting used to it. But now I got to go in here now and visit DOT.
Alrighty. Hope you come out alive there, right?
Hope for the best.
You have yourself a good trip there, driver. We'll see you.
Big rig videos?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll check it out.
10-4.